Are you trying to write formulas in Tableau and have no idea how to even get started? Well, let me show you how easy it is to do. Here we are in Tableau Desktop, and if you want to follow along, the dataset is in the description below. There are two ways you can really do formulas. One is if you click here on the white space, you'll see Create Calculated Field. You can even right-click on a field that already exists. Let's say Profit. Right-click Create Calculated Field. The only benefit of that really is that it brings that field in to your dialog box immediately, right? So let me show you. Create Calculated Field, and you can see Profit is already in there. It just brings it in, just kind of lets you skip a step. Okay, and the last way is if you click here on this triangle at the top, you'll see Create Calculated Field. I would recommend you do it this way when you are a beginner. Now, when I go Create Calculated Field, you're going to get a dialog box, if it's your first time, that looks like this, and it's just empty space. And this is where I've seen a lot of beginners, people that I'm teaching, they go, I'm so confused, what do I do here? Okay, so if you just open this up a little bit, and I wish Tableau changed this. They added this little button that is barely even a button. I'm going to zoom in. It's like the tiniest triangle in the world. If you click on that, it actually has a formula guide that is very well hidden. In here is every single formula that you can do in Tableau. Now it's organized into these categories. So say I want to do the absolute of a value. Right? So I'm going to go number. You see absolute here. Now, if I zoom in, it actually gives you, number one, an explanation, the syntax, okay, and an actual example. So all you have to do to bring it in is double click. Okay, and let me zoom in. So when I did that, it actually created the formula for me. All I got to do now is fill in what is missing, which is, in this case, some sort of number. So say I want to bring in profit. This one, I can type in profit and you'll see it start to come up, profit right there, or I can be super lazy, okay? And I can take it from this section. I can drag it in. And that's a really clever and quick way to write a formula, okay? You give it a new name, let's say absolute profit, you hit OK, and that's it. Now, once you do that, you're going to get a new field that is generated because this gives you row level results. And when you do that, you will see this little symbol here. All right, let me zoom in. This little equals symbol. And what that means is that is a formula. Okay, that's what it means. That's how easy it is to do formulas in Tableau Desktop.